Hi friends, today we are going to Europe again. We're going to be learning about Christmas in England. Now England is actually not even on this map. So if you're looking at Europe, there should be a little island right here that you cannot see. So I have pulled up a map and right here you can see this is the United Kingdom and right here is England. So just so you have some perspective on our map, right here is France and here is Germany. And right here's the Netherlands. So we've actually visited all of these three places right here on our adventure of Christmas around the world. So England is right here in the little island, but it is still part of Europe. So one of the most famous cities in England is London. And if we come back here, we can see it's one of its most famous bridges, which is the Tower Bridge right here behind this man. And it actually looks like this is designed to be Harry Potter. So if you're a Harry Potter fan like me, a lot of his story was in London. In England, children call Santa Father Christmas. Children decorate Christmas trees with their families. So this sounds really similar to what we do. And children spend Christmas Day singing Christmas carols, opening presents, and eating Christmas dinner. So very similar to what we do, right? So we're going to head over to the next video where we're going to fill out our sheet together. And then after that, head on over to our England Christmas class. Now this is where you're going to see there are a little bit of differences. There's some videos, there's a book, and see what you can learn. And I want you to tell me what are the differences between Christmas in America and Christmas in England.